Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.9.2. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of your conversation topics for English learners activities. So there are 3 parts. Part 1, watch the video, read the text below, then translate the text in your primary language and read it again. So you watch this video, you read this text, and then you click on a flag and you translate the text into your language. The next part, you have the same directions. Watch the video, read the text below, and then you translate using the translator. And finally, for part 3, watch the video, read the text below in English, and then you translate the text into your language. Okay? And after you finish, you can write about what you read and what you heard in the comment section below. You write your comment, write your name and your email, and post. Okay? So this was a preview of lesson 1.9.2, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Thank you very much for working so hard. I appreciate you focusing on this lesson. This lesson incorporates both American English listening skills as well as American English reading skills to build your English comprehension. Thank you very much, and please do your best.